Hello, I am Anjana and you are watching Public Times 24/7. Let's turn to today's big news.
Budget session of Vidhan Sabha starts today. Economic survey to be presented on the first day. Chances of uproar over CAG report. The budget session will begin in Delhi Vidhan Sabha from Monday and will continue till March 28. Economic survey will be presented on the first day. Chief Minister Rekha Gupta will present the budget on Tuesday. The BJP government is preparing to present its plans and achievements prominently. At the same time, AAP has prepared a strategy to question the policies of the government and put BJP in the dock. Apart from this, many CAG reports related to the functioning of the then government will also be presented during the budget session. The budget session starting in the Vidhan Sabha from Monday is expected to be uproarious. In the last session, Assembly Speaker Vijender Gupta suspended 21 AAP MLAs from the House from 3 days for creating a ruckus and did not even allow them to enter the premises. The effect of this was that instead of creating a ruckus on the last day of the session, AAP MLAs politically opposed the arguments and decisions of the BJP government. AAP is likely to do something similar in the budget session as well. The opposition will surround the government and the ruling party will adopt a strategy to put that government in the dock. Therefore, a heated debate and allegations and counter allegations can be seen between AAP and BJP. On Sunday, Assembly Speaker Vijender Gupta said that the budget session is very important for determining financial policies and the development roadmap for the coming financial year. The session will run from 24 to 28 March and can be extended if required. The economic survey will be presented on Monday, which will account for the income and facilities of the people. On Tuesday, Chief Minister Rekha Gupta will present the budget. The Finance Department is with the CM. He will announce the fulfillment of the major announcements of the BJP's manifesto and there will be a provision for the amount. The budget will be discussed on Wednesday and approved on Thursday. Private bills and resolutions will be discussed in the Assembly on Friday. During this time, various issues are likely to be discussed in the House and political parties are likely to take forward their respective agendas. While the BJP is busy highlighting the achievements of the government, at the same time, AAP has geared up to criticize the policies of the government. The BJP government is preparing to present its plans and achievements prominently. The party will clarify what steps the BJP government has taken for the development of Delhi and what are the future plans. The AAP has prepared a strategies to question the policies of the government and put the BJP in the dock. It will mainly target the government on issues related to women, free gas cylinders, women empowerment schemes. The AAP will raise questions on the Mahila Samriddhi Yojana. Also, the party can challenge the finding of the CAG report. During the budget session, several CAG reports related to the functioning of the then government will be presented. The AAP has strongly objected to these and it is likely that there will be a heated debate in this house on this. During the budget session, the CAG report on the functioning of the DTC will be presented in the House. It is likely to highlight the issues related to DT's financial losses, operational deficiencies and corruption.
That's all for now. We will meet again with another big news. Till then, namaskar and keep watching Public Times 24/7.